Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to see very quick 3 ways how to find and display background map. The first method is a very well-known system through the plugin called WebMapService. Just install the plugin as usually. You go on plugin, manage and install plugin. You search for WebMapService, this one, you install it. Once you have installed it, you will have under web the command WebMapService. In the normal case, those options are not appearing at the first time. In that case, go under setting, go under more service and click on get contributed pack. Once you have done it, you should have, like in my case, all these options, and here you can have a selection of possible background maps starting from OpenStreetMap or Bing Satellite or Google Satellite. Just have a look what you can find. The second way to download background imageries is through the plugin HCMGIS. You go under plugin, manage and install plugin, and you find this plugin. You install it. I don't do it because I have it already. Once you have it, you will have this command. Here you can find a lot of base map. For example, Google Satellite, exactly like the other one. So you can see there is no difference. Also you can find, for example, Esri. But the good thing of this plugin is also that you can download OpenStreetMap data by country from GeoFabric. So you don't need to go to the GeoFabric web page. For example, we download for Congo, Africa, Congo, and choose the directory and you apply. So it takes some time. This simplifies the process of downloading the boundary of the country, and as you can see, it is coming already in a group so that you can really select or deselect whatever you need. Very interesting. And the last way to display background map is through the XYZ tiles. Here you click on those, you right click, you click on new connection. You can give the name and you have to give the direction, the URL. I have displayed a bunch of URLs. They are listed below the video so that you can find all those maps. Just insert those links, those URLs, and then you will get all those maps. Same way, you can click on that one, for example, and you have this map. Let's go back to our area of interest. I can choose map tiler. So many different type of map. Maybe just to mention is that for some URLs, like Thunderbird, for example, you need an IP number. In that case, you have to register and log in there in the web page that is mentioned in the URL, register, log in, and find your APK. In this case, those are the sites that request an APK. The others do not request the APK. That's it. Thank you very much for your attention.